So yeah, I'll just leave the camera rolling and you can see like a little bit of London. Yo! London. Hello! Yeah, we're in London. Just basically having a bit of an urban one and a bit of exercise, aren't we, lads? Yeah. Bit of an urban exercise. We've done some mad stuff. I just have not been bothered to film it because not really thinking it's exciting. Now we're cold. Al's warming his bike up.
Oh mate, it's driving round going round in circles here. Let's set a tripod up there.
Look, that's it. This is Davies Vitus.
Put that away.
Yeah, it's a really nice bike. Same as mine, 500 watt battery, but a lot smaller.
I've got wet wipes.
And 250 watt Shimano motor. But yeah, it's a nice little bit of kit. How much was it, Dave?
3.6.
3.6. So if anyone's looking for a reasonably priced e-bike, and I say that with reasonably priced because that's what they are. Yeah! Wing Tong, I got that on video.
That's the worst stairs, I ain't doing them again.
They're terrible. Easy everybody, hello, welcome back to a day's bike life. Yeah, just a bit of a chill one today. It's not really the greatest days for filming anyway. So yeah, not the greatest days for filming, but we're just out anyway in London, just having a laugh, a bit of street riding, so I'll capture what I can and edit what I can. Alright, let's go. Let's come out. So what are you doing? Come out of alley, lad? Whoa, whoa, I'm rimming. Oh.
I don't put my seat down. I popped out of it with a flipping smack.
Ready? Wheelie time. Oh. Yeah, man. Oh. What? She's fast. Well, quick. Woo! She's beating you, girl. She beat you! Poor Dave. Freelance. Gal's got it. Oh. Ding, 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 ding. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. I'll just leave the camera rolling and you can see like a little bit of London. What's going down up here at the moment. Love tourists. There's the castle. Woo! Oh, it's a bit wider than the skinnies we was on. Bop, bop, bop. Oh, no power. Apple phone, I think they call it. Da-den, 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 da-den. Gonna wheelie it across there. There he goes. There he is. Yeah. Now down the stairs. Yeah, nice stop. Sorry, mate. Yo! Jeez. Oh, God! Do, 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 do. Right. Yeah, that's the bit where they. That's the bit where they. What are you doing? Just in case, I'm going to film all the way home because we're in Brixton and it's fucking bad here. You wouldn't want to live here, even though people pay a lot of money to live here. Whoa! Whoa!